You can still smell some of that smoke in the air, but this fire is pretty much contained. Fire departments will be checking in on the area, looking for hot spots. This wildfire at Rocky Flats burned around 177 acres over the weekend. 2 cabins were evacuated, according to the Tennessee Department of Agriculture. This isn't the only fire in our area over the past few days. Fire crews tell me that dry conditions and high winds have impacted fire risk throughout East Tennessee.
The fuel conditions are relatively dry. We're in the early stages of a drought across East Tennessee. And what that means is the chance of ignition goes up as it gets more drier. So like with the fire that's down off of 129, it was started by a motorcycle accident. And so that ignition, the drought just makes ignition much more likely to occur. And then once the ignition does occur, the fire can spread.
I'll have more on this Rocky Flats Road fire along with other fires in our area coming up tonight at 6. Reporting in Sevier County, Kristen Gallant, WATE 6 on your side.